Hi, I'm Ruby Ellen and I'm here to do one-line drawing with you. The key to one-line drawing is that once your pen hits the paper, you draw your image and you don't pick it back up until you're completely done, so that your drawing is done with one continuous line. Here's an example of an abstract portrait I did, and I started at the nose and I ended at the neck, and everything was created with one continuous line. Now here's a tip to get started practicing one-line drawing. I'm gonna take an orange marker and draw a face. You can choose whatever you'd like to draw. So I'm just draw a face. Here's the eyes, nose, another eye, the eyebrow, face shape, neck, lips, hair, the rest of the hair, filling in the hair. So now I did the different parts of a face, and you can see the eyes, the nose. It's not connected by one line just yet. So when you want to practice, draw an image that you want to do in one continuous line, and then go over it with another marker in a different color, connecting all the different parts together. So with a face, I like to start at the eyes, the nose, or the neck. I'm going to start at the eye here, doing the eye, connecting it to the nose, going down to the lips, to the face shape, stopping at the eyebrow, going to the hair, down to the face, there's the other eyebrow, the eye, down the hair, going back up the hair to the other side, to the neck, and there you go. I basically played connect the dots, connecting all the different pieces of the face together. So when you do one-line drawing, make it a game. Draw your image, then go over it with another marker, connecting all the different pieces together until you're used to doing everything with one continuous line. Now here are more examples of one-line drawing in action.
For one-line drawing, all you need is some paper and a pen. The key to one-line drawing is once your pen hits the paper, you don't pick it back up until you're completely done with your drawing, so that your drawing is one continuous line. So much fun doing your one-line drawing that you'll find yourself filling up multiple pages with one-line drawings. Try multiple people, do trees, flowers, plants. Have fun experimenting with one-line drawing.